There is a brand new way of making money from Instagram, and we're going to talk about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. I'm going to go to my Instagram, and basically I got this option just a couple of days ago. I'm super excited. If you don't have it yet, stay put, stay patient, because sometimes they roll out these changes in small batches, but make sure you do update your app. Go to App Store, Google Play Store, and update your app. So first, let me show you what this thing is. So from my home, I'm gonna swipe right and go to the live, which is right here. So I'm already on the live, and here is that option. It's called badges, which is right here. So when I click on this, look at this, earn money with badges. You can earn money when your viewers buy badges. Look at this. So you can turn this on before you go live on Instagram. And then when people are watching, when they buy badges, guess what? You will make money. And this is not a brand new concept. I know people do this on TikTok, and also this probably started from Twitch, but it's brand new on Instagram. You are now able to make money with badges. Another thing is, you can also go and check. Let me show you. We're going to click here, and then we're going to click on settings, and then creator, and then look at this. You're going to see that option right here as well, badges. And then I am eligible. The way I got this option is a couple of days ago. I saw a notification from Instagram. I clicked on it. I set everything up, and boom, now when I go live, I can turn these badges on and make money. I'm super excited that Facebook and Instagram are making it easy for people like you and me to monetize our content on these platforms. Awesome. Let me know if you already have this feature in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.